We'll guide you through how to fix no sound from Opera. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, come to a web page which is trying to go and output sound and make sure the sound is trying to be played. And then what you need to do is go to the top left of Opera, and to the left of the tab, you're going to go and see this sound icon. As you can see at the moment, mine's a speaker with a cross through it. Click there, and now it's a speaker icon with sound waves, and that means sound is now being outputted. Also, when you right click on that tab up here as well, you have the option for unmute tab as well, so make sure it's unmuted. Now, if you still can't hear anything, then what you want to do is go to the bottom of your computer and click on the search like so, and you want to go and type in sound mixer options like this. This will take you to your sound mixer and scroll down to apps, and then scroll down and look for Opera. As you can see, here it is, and you need to make sure Opera is turned up and also that it isn't muted. If yours has got a cross through it like that, click on it and that'll go and unmute it, and now you should go and be able to hear sound from Opera. And of course, it's probably worth testing other browsers and other sound outputs on your computer because it may be a problem with your whole computer, not just Opera. So in your volume mixer, you can come to the top here and make sure you've got the right output device selected, and you can try increasing the volume as well to go and see if that fixes your problem. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.